Hello everyone, I wanted to show you a really cool piece that I picked up. This is a 1926 Singer sewing machine and cabinet. I'm going to give you a detailed look. I just want to give you an idea of the type of craftsmanship that was put into this. It's just remarkable compared to the things that are made today. I mean, this cabinet is solid wood. The legs and the base are made of cast iron. And just look at the detail. You see they put the name over there, all in cast iron. It has cast iron casters. Just a really cool piece. It has 7 drawers. I mean, this is solid wood. This is actually in really good condition. Now some of it needs restoration. But the drawers are remarkably good condition for something of its age. There's a drawer here. I just appreciate fine craftsmanship, and this is like the finest that could be made of its time. I mean, you're talking about generations, and this fine machine actually still works. I'm going to show you. See these vintage hinges. Now it appears that the belt is missing over here. This electric motor, it says made in Japan, and this motor does not look like it came with the machine. It looks like something that was added later, because you see it's kind of interesting because back during this time, this was built during the roaring 20s. I mean, there was an economic boom during this time, and this country was turning out textiles like no other country at that particular time. I mean, the biggest garment district maybe in the world was in New York. They made the finest machinery in the textile industry, and what's interesting is back then some of the finest products in the world were manufactured in the United States, and you're looking at one right now. This was a manufacturing time of its prime. You know, if something wasn't good quality, you'd say, oh, it's made in Japan. Now it's the opposite. Japan makes some of the finest quality products in the world, and the U.S. hardly makes anything compared to what it was making back during this time. This motor works. I'm going to plug it in and show you. Look at the attention to the design and the detail. Such a cool piece. I mean, this is something that was probably used with great pride, which is probably why they put so much effort into the detail and why it is so decorative. Just take a look at this cast iron work that they used under here. Look at that design. See the S in the center? It stands for Singer. The Singer Manufacturing Company. Trademark. That's a logo made out of cast iron. So much attention to detail. I mean, you really have to appreciate this. I mean, look at the things they make today. It doesn't even compare. Take a look at this. So much attention to design and detail. Really, really admirable. You could just feel how durable it is. All metal. This is something like an heirloom. It can be brought down for generations. And that's the thing. People were using this. This was their livelihood. I mean, they must have sat at this machine for hours every day. They took great pride in what they were doing. And therefore, the company put a lot of attention to marksmanship and detail. It's just such a cool piece. It just gives you such an appreciation for fine workmanship, fine craftsmanship. This actually tilts over. There's two hinges here. This lifts up. Thanks for watching.